Moving on to the next one, that is logical operators. Logical operators. Okay. So there are only three logical operators which we are going to see. There are three logical operators. One is logical and. First one is logical and. Logical and double ampersand. Logical and double ampersand. Okay. Next one is logical or. Logical or. Second one, logical or. Two pipe symbols. Logical OR. Two pipe symbols. And the last one is logical not. Logical not. Exclamation symbol. Okay. For this, I want you to open one exclamation symbol. Shift one. Okay. So for this, I want you to open an Excel sheet. Okay. Just open an Excel.
Yes, sir.
First, I'll explain you what is logical and what is logical or, and then what is logical not. So to do this, what you are going to do is, you might have studied in your 10th standard conjunction, disjunction, all those things, right?
Yes, sir.
So there you have two statements. One is P, assume, just write the capital letters P, and then Q. First one P, second one Q, and next one is P and Q. Next one P and Q. P and is shift 6. Shift 6, no. Shift 6, there is a symbol. Okay. So now what I'm going to tell you is, you already know, remove that. Okay. So you already know P and Q are two statements. When both the statements are true, then only your P and Q is true. That means true, true, P value true, P value capital T, Q value, yeah, anything is fine. True, true, anything is fine. Okay. Just write it. Yeah. True, true. Okay. Same copy paste. True, false. First one true, true. Second one true, false. True, false. Next one false, true. False, true. Last one is false, false. Okay. So you might already know these statements, right? When both the statements are true, then only your P and Q is true. Correct. So that means here it is true. When both the statements are P true, Q true, then only it is true. In all the rest of the cases, it is false. False for the rest of the three. I hope you are aware of this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So similarly, copy paste, control C, control V. Hmm. Copy the entire box one more time. P, Q, P and Q. From there, just copy the entire box. Put it at the bottom one more time. Control C at the bottom. Yeah. Now we are going to see P, R, Q. P, R, Q. There you have to write V. V. Okay. So here what will happen, when one of these statement is true, then PRQ is true. That means you no need to have both the statements true. True, true, it is true. True, false, because one is true, that's the reason it is true. And false, true, it is true. And finally false, false, it's false. Are you clear? So same logic
Yes, sir.
applies for bitwise and operator. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to apply the bitwise and operator, logical and operator, not bitwise. It is logical and operator. So what we are going to do is, just create a new class. Create a new class. declare one variable. You can write two variables. Okay. So declare two variables. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to have two statements. Okay. One is both the statements are true. Okay. So whatever we have seen examples, those examples we are going to do. So system.out.println, system.out.println, within the brackets, what you are going to do is x greater than x greater than x sorry a, right, a greater than 3, a greater than 3, double ampersand, within that only, yeah, double ampersand, space, a less than, a less than, a less than 11, sorry, b, you can write b, b less than 11. Are the both the statements correct? A greater than 3, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
B less than 11, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You can just write true true. Okay. In the comments, both the statements are true. Okay. Now what would be the outcome? When you run this program, you are going to get the outcome as true. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Run the program. Run this. You're clear.
Yes, sir.
Copy paste the same thing and make it as true false. Copy the entire line. No, copy the entire line. You can just update the comment also at a later point of time. Hmm. So true, false. Comments. Just write comments false. Okay. I wanted to make the second statement false. That means, can I give b greater than 11?
Yes,
In the
sir.
second statement, just give b greater than 11. B greater than 11. Now, if you run this program, okay, without commenting the first one, what would be the outcome? True, false. Correct.
True, false.
Yeah. Run the program. You should see true and false. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same copy paste. False, true. False, true. False, true. You just put it as a less than 3. A less than 3. Now run the program. True, false, false. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Next one is last. All of them are false. Copy paste the same thing. B greater than 11 you have to give. You're getting me, right?
Yes, sir.
Now run the program. So true, false, false, false. That means whenever both the statements are true, then only it is true. Rest of the cases it is false. Are you clear? Any questions? You
No,
just
sir.
write it as and. You just write it as logical and. Logical and. Okay. Now copy paste the same thing, entire code from line number 5 to entire thing. Copy. Yes. Logical or. You have to put it as logical or. Logical or. Or capital. Okay. So there, instead of and symbol, you just give pipe symbols, two pipe symbols. So now if you look at, for this particular outcome, what should be the outcome? Can you just comment the line number 6 to 9? 6 to 9, can you comment? Yeah. What is the outcome?
True, 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 false, sir.
Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
No, it should not be the correct one, right? Did you run? All of them must be true. Only last one should be false. That is what logical OR means. Can you just execute it one more time? Yeah, this is the outcome.
Yes, sir.
Clear? I think you have not executed earlier. Okay. So when the logical and means whenever both the statements are true, then only it will be true. If it is logical or if one of the statements are true, then your statement is true. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
And the last one is logical not. So logical not is, if I have to compare with your basic mathematics of 10th standard, it is like negation of p. No need to write everything. Okay, no need to write everything. So that means you are making one statement logical not. You are making one statement. If at all you wanted to say negation of it, that means if you are saying true, then the logical not will say that that is false. Let me give an example. System.out.println, just write what is the x value, a value there for you. Show me the a value. A value 5, right? So a greater than 3. A greater than 3. If you run this, what is going to happen?
True, sir.
True, correct? If I keep in front of this a greater than 3, if I keep that in bracket in front of it, if I give exclamation symbol, that is logical not. Exclamation symbol and keep a greater than b in brackets. A greater than b in brackets, in front of that bracket exclamation symbol. That means you are saying a greater than b negation. That means even though it is true, because of negation it will be false. Run the program and you will be able to see the outcome as false. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the three logical operators, logical and, logical or, and logical not?
Yes,
Any
sir.
confusion,
No, sir.
questions? Okay. So now you you have gone through all the various types of operators. We have seen arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. So these are very, very important for our basic operations, whatever the programs you do. Clear?
Yes, sir.